Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to close Google Chrome without closing the tabs. So if you want to close out of your Google Chrome and then you just have it reopen whenever page you had open last time before you close out of your last Google Chrome web. Let's show you guys how to do that. For that, go to three dot icon over here and go to settings, and on left side you need to click on startup and select the continue where you left off. Just need to select it, and after doing this, continue where you left off, close out of here. For example, I'm doing guys, and search anything here, and here you, for example, you opened up any tabs that will be reopen again guys. I show you guys that will reopen automatically. You open up again, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.